Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Gangway, we out here. Gangway. MDK. Forget everybody. It's your chairman sexy. Oh my God. Block that way.
Yo, me.
I can't throw. Charlie. Yeah, they just told me say somebody say he's not a medical guy. I know be medical guy. You know be medical guy. Hey, boy. Say we are low in the real original, the lie, the fabric. Me na me matter my dear. Na me see me sheni say me to ni say. Yeah, me pen na share na my ni say. Oh na uti be na. Min jale me nimu. Oh bra. Say me na me dey me share me ma share my dear na me ma to na me feeling na me feeling no. Na uti oh yeah who debate. Oh. And that hammy crow like oh me nimo what the hell why I wanna know. Yeah, you know, I don't like medical. I'm not a medical guy. The way he does his things, the way he dresses, the way he moves around, he's a bush boy. He's rowdy. Yeah. You don't like medical. And like I know them family who crowd like I don't know just me nemo like suck my nipple, suck my nipple, suck my nipple. And say he brags. He's always bragging in his music. He's always bragging like, hey, na nyame shira no mayenka. Nyame shira me no. Kaminka se me dagotem. Na me ni bia me da. Na anka munya me ntimi ntompa wana me na mpomba mfom. Say hey. Yenya ye hu papa. Yeah, your papa. Said you me life no. Tio, me life no. Bibia is a diama me like me. Say me kasa is a cry. Dio, a dream that me live no. Like car me tree, car for first di menim. So edi mechi. This yo. Shit ain't regular, bro. And yam me papa. Yam yes shrine. Hey, happy birthday, DJ Mike Smith. Happy birthday, DJ Mike Smith. I love you, bro. Hey, happy birthday, DJ.